Welcome to Copenhagen. It's been a long flight. It's time to put the bike together. Okay, I have my duffel with my panniers. That was one of my checked-in baggage. And I have my backpack and my handlebar bag with me. That was my carry-on. So now waiting for the bicycle box. Here's where it's going to be a little bit tricky maybe, because last time I flew, I let a bike store box the bike and they didn't really do the best job of it. The box opened up in flight, in transit. I lost a whole bunch of stuff. So when I pack my bike, I make sure that everything is connected and strapped together somehow. So if the box opens up, you've got one big conglomeration of bicycle and not pieces going everywhere. So made a mistake when I packed. I left a little bit of water in one of the water bottles, so the box got a little bit wet. Not sure if the box was compromised or not. So we will see when it comes off. I will pull it out of the box and we'll see what we got. And there it is, and it looks like it's in one piece. TSA almost always opens it. And yeah, it looks like it's been resealed. Everything looks good. So let me grab it and get going. First I have to zip this open. I've got my panniers in here. And I need to get my tools out of here. The panniers were also zip tied together, so if the bag opened, they would not be thrown apart. So these babies have been set free. Now time to open the box. And here's the moment I've been waiting for. Let's see how the bike survived. Everything still seems together. Gonna need two hands to lift it out of the box. You can see how zip ties and everything is wrapped around each other. Everything but the front wheel was zip tied together. And of course, TSA inspected, as they always do. Never really worry about taping the top of the box up because I know TSA is gonna get in there. And now it's time for me to cut everything off there and start putting the bike together. See if anything got bent and take it from there. Don't need the duffel bag anymore, so the duffel bag gets folded up and it disappears. Won't be used again until the end of the trip. I'm going to start with the handlebars and then do the front wheel and then seat, pedals, and rear derailleur. Things are looking good so far. Time to pump up the tires and see how it works. And this is how I leave the airport. Copenhagen! The air is cool, not too humid, very pleasant.